Hey y'all, hope you're having a nice day today. Just want to take you along. We are going to be working on a new flower bed in our front yard. Okay, so we've got a flower bed here that is probably 25 foot long by maybe 10 to 12 foot wide. And it doesn't look like much right now because basically what we've done is starting last fall, we got some clearance evergreens that we put in here because we knew we were going to be putting in a new flower bed. We've got the blue spruce here, some other arborvitaes, and we've really just been letting them grow. I'm going to weed eat them now so we can see exactly what we've got here and then go from there. Okay, so we've gotten the weed eating done, and now we are going back through with our standard used cardboard pieces and then putting mulch on top of it. So that's where we're at right now. My husband's putting down the last tub of mulch, and it's been a tough job. It's taken us about 4 hours to do this, and we actually did wind up planting additional plants in here to kind of fill it in a little more. I think it's a little fewer plants on this end than it is on that end, but we had some that didn't come back up from the freeze. So we're hoping that it's going to rain in the next couple of days just to wet the cardboard down and the mulch and let it settle really good. We won't probably plant anything else in here for a few weeks until the mulch and the cardboard, actually the cardboard starts to disintegrate a little bit more. But yeah, we've got lots of echinacea. We've got some, sunflowers, a cut plant, spiderwort, sunflowers, I think I said that, daisies, peonies, some rose bushes, lots of different things in here, bellflowers and other things. So we'll just see how it does. This is definitely a full shade bed, no sun. It gets full sun all day. So we're hoping everything takes here and does well. But just hope you all have a fantastic day and a blessed weekend.